Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Trailhead Ranger NJ, and we are doing this series of Sales Cloud Consultant Certification Preparation, and we have done many of these trail mix modules, and in our last video we have done this module that is related to I'm sorry, customer centric discovery strategies, where we discuss that how to put customer as a priority and what method needs to be followed for this strategy. In this module, in this video, we'll be talking about alignment as a strategic craft. It's a very short module. Just you need to understand that what exactly is alignment. So its first unit is learn why alignment is a key. So if we talk about alignment, alignment is nothing but a strategic design product. It is in our strategic design product. We want to make sure that the people in the system are ready and willing to help to be our project to become successful. So in our project to become successful, there are many people who work together to make it successful, such as other developers, testers, other integration teams, or many other such teams. So what do we mean by align? Align is a word where we want to get along with each other. So basically we need to get aligned with leadership, stakeholders, project team, influencers. You must be aware of their roles, and if you are not, please go through this. And then if we talk about executive sponsors, we have already talked about who are executive sponsors. So they have the power to impact a design project. So it's important to ensure that they are in alignment throughout the scope of a project as well. What are the certain benefits of alignment? So focus the project team's efforts, drive outcomes, improve communication and teamwork, improve efficiency, reduce the possibility of friction, and enable everyone to contribute their expertise. Even increase team satisfaction, increase accountability, and such more benefits. And if we are not having the alignment in our project among different teams, then what are the possible risks we could be facing? That is wasting time and energy, working on the different or wrong ideas and tasks. Inconclusive outcomes will be coming by working on those wrong ideas and tasks. Discord between stakeholders, the need to do rework, resistance, lack of trust, lack of understanding, project failure, premature ending, and low morale among employees. So we need to have alignment, even better alignment among all the groups. So let's come to the quiz. First is, what is the benefit of achieving alignment during the design process? First is enhances communication. Second is creates uncertain outcomes. Third is drives more accountability. So A and C should be the correct answer. Second is true or false. When generating alignment for a project, creating buy-in from an organization's leadership should be the only priority. So no. Let's check. It's correct. Let's move on to the second unit, that is gain alignment. So how can we gain alignment? So to achieve anything, we need to follow a strategy and we need to create a process. So for this, our process is to discover, define, design, deliver, and then deploy. So we can have challenge framing, research insights, opportunity area selection, then design direction selection, and bringing an idea to market to deploy it. And to have our starting point, we need to have multiple people in our project. Some might be supporters, some could be neutral individuals, and some could be detractors. So supporters would be those who will be excited to hear and talk about our project. Neutral individuals would be those who won't be prioritizing our project and won't be having any particular opinion of us or of our project work. And detractors would be those who would be working against our project success. Then to avoid all these, we need to have internal research, one-to-one conversations, and using ecosystem mapping. Then all these, yeah, let's come to the quiz. First is true or false. Challenge framing and design direction selection are the only key moments where alignment matters most in the design process. No. Second is, which definition best describes a detractor? Attend meetings but don't prioritize the project. Actively commit to moving a project forward. They are often cynical about each design phase. Fourth, offer help only when asked. So C should be the correct. If you read all of these statements, first would be the neutral individual, second would be supporter, and fourth would be neutral individual again. So let's check, and it's correct. Let's move on to the third unit, that is align the core team. So to align the core team, what methods do we follow? We should have shared experience and understanding methods. Some of the example for shared understanding, that is connect stakeholders with the project values, increase compassion for customer or community perspectives, persuade the group of a compelling premise or way of thinking about the challenge, and communicate the intent of a solution, vision, or idea. So, what methods we can follow for core team alignment? Before kickoff, we should have clarify project goals, discuss team members' hopes and fears, what are they are afraid of in the project failing, clarify their roles and responsibilities among them, and their working styles as well. They should have agreed for each and every role. If not, then it should be reassigned to some other members. They should have at the midpoint. We should have a gratitude exercise so that they can realize yes, they are working hard, and their work is for project success and it is being recognized as well. We should have them written as that on some sticky notes, that yes, I like to do this, I wish I will be achieving this, or I will be working like this. These things we should have. And in the wrap up session, we can again have gratitude mood meter, take it forward feedback, that it's like a constructive feedback, that yes, you did this wrong, but yeah, if you will work hard, it will be good. And then celebrate the success of the project completion. Let's come to the quiz. First is, which is a method to increase shared understanding? First option is use research to build compassion for customers and users. Second is use stories to increase emotional understanding. Third is use LinkedIn to make a professional introduction. So a and B should be the correct answer, I guess. Yeah. Second is, you only use core team alignment methods during the project kickoff. So no. Let's check. It's correct. Let's move on to the next and last unit of this module, that is make decisions and resolve conflicts. So as its title suggests, that for the alignment we shall make decisions and resolve conflicts among all the groups. So for this we can use dot voting, that is have the dots placed next to the stickers or sticky notes which have some options. For voting, we can have decision checklist, criteria scorecard as well, or even the prioritization matrices. Prioritization matrices will look like will something look like this, that is effort, how much effort we are giving for some result. Then for conflict resolution methods, we can have we should have the heart of objection, that we can uh, have our voice out for the furiousness, or even if we are having something to object. And we can go back to the last aligned moment, that when we were okay working with some system or someone, but now we are not. We can name the challenges we are facing, acknowledge the value of perspectives, explore solutions genuinely, and invite collaborative problem solving approach, bring in fresh inspiration, and then we can revisit all of these conflicts if anyone is having any. So let's come to the quiz. First is, when my teams use decision making methods: A, to decide which creative direction to pursue; second, in user research, to prioritize high level goals. So A and C should be the correct answer. Second is, a key conflict resolution methods is to temporarily dismiss objections. So no. Let's check. It's done, and we are done with this module, that is alignment as a strategic craft. I hope you understand that what kind of alignment we are talking about, and how does it will benefit us, what are the challenges we will be facing, how can we resolve those conflicts, and then eventually it will lead to the project success. In our next video, we'll be doing innovation customer discovery. I know here it is showing that it's completed, but I'll be making a video on this as well. So if you like it, please like it and subscribe the channel, and Thank you. Stay tuned.